Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about PayPal, which is currently hiring for their software engineer backend development role. This will be a full-time on-site role in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and the minimum qualifications that they have listed is you need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science and a 1+ years of experience of relevant work experience, or you need to have any other combination, equivalent combination of education and experience to be able to apply for this role. Now, the team that you will be working on will be requiring you, will prefer you to have some strong understanding of the Golang language. Your essential responsibilities will be to work within the software development life cycle and work according to the structure and oversight that is given from experienced staff. And you will be working with well established internal conventions and standard procedures, and you'll be collaborating with your peers, your manager, and your project lead to develop and review solutions, and definitely be involved in code and design reviews. So that is your minimum qualifications and essential responsibilities that you'll be having once you get through this software development role. Now, what you will be bringing or what they are expecting from you, minimum, is definitely 1+ years of experience or equivalent education and experience combination. Apart from that, they want you to have a strong proficiency in one or more backend languages, preferably Golang, as I said. Java, Python, or similar languages is absolutely all right as well. You will be working across multiple technology stacks and will have to adapt to the agile mindset. You will be required to have some understanding of system design fundamentals, scalability, optimization, and the skills and ability to collaborate and taking an ownership mindset and having commitment to delivering your product on time. So these are all skills that any team or qualifications that any team would want you to have. And as a part of the good to have expectations, they want you to have some hands-on, they would prefer you to have some hands-on experience with Google Cloud Platform services and some big data technologies like Spark, BigQuery, Dataflow, etc. So these are all the eligibility criteria, responsibilities, good to have criteria that they have mentioned. Now moving on to the hiring process that PayPal generally follows for this role. So PayPal hires over multiple rounds for this role, starting with the initial screening that can happen over a phone call or an online assessment. So here the recruiter will be assessing your interests, whether it's aligning with what they are expecting, your basic skills and suitability for the role basically. Now, after the online screening, you'll be having to sit for multiple technical interviews. So you'll have to face challenging questions that will be testing your coding skills, your algorithmic thinking, your problem solving abilities. And this generally happens over a phone call, or it can happen over a conference, video conference, or some live coding exercises. So mostly you will have to be in a meeting where you'll have to keep your camera open, share your screen, and code your solution to the questions that they propose to you. So that is about your technical interviews. You might have some behavioral interviews after the technical ones get over. So This will assess your soft skills, such as your communication skills, your leadership skills, your team building skills, adaptability to any kind of situation, questions on situations, um, basically, how you've handled some various work situations, or maybe some past experience, or you'll be given kind of a setting and you'll have to see how you'll get out of it, kind of something like that. So that is your behavioral interview. There's only one behavioral interview. Generally, after the behavioral round, they also would have some on site visit interviews. This would typically involve a visit to the PayPal office at Bangalore, so that you get a feeling of the environment and the culture. So there'll be a mix of technical and behavioral assessments, and most importantly, it gives you an opportunity to meet your team members that you'll have to work with. So these are all the interviews and the rounds that you'll have to go through to be able to get into this role as a backend engineer at PayPal. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. These links don't stay open for long, so the application link is in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for jobs and internship openings, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.